Today, recreating the Hoskote Dum Biryani. And without any biryani masalas, let's get started. Firstly, let's marinate the chicken with chili powder, coriander powder, salt, and a cup of curd or a yogurt which you have. Lastly, squeeze out one whole lemon. Now you can keep it in a side and let's make the biryani paste. Take a blender, add onion, ginger, garlic, mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chilli. Adding the right spices hold the perfect taste. You have to only add the cloves, cinnamon and the cardamom. Add some water and blend it. Blending to a medium consistency, you can feel the flavor. Note, not needed to very smooth or very rough. This is a perfect consistency. Take a heavy bottom vessel. It prevents the biryani from burning. When the vessel heated, add 1 cup of oil and the spices. If you want, you can take a screenshot of spices. Now add the slice of onions. Fry until it turns brown. Of course, it takes some time. This step is a secret that boosts the taste of biryani. So many of us think that adding the random spices can boost the biryani taste, but that is a myth. This much of brown is almost enough. At this time, you have to add the masala paste. When the oil separates from the masala paste, you can add the tomato. Don't wait, backly add the marinated chicken. Once you pour, stir it quickly. The chicken will combine with masala so quickly. Add a required rock salt. Add a little bit of water to the jar. Mix it and pour it to the biryani. Add another cup of water. Boil it for 3 to 4 minutes. This time, chicken started to absorb the aromas. Here, the second secret tip. Adding the green fennel seed and the kasturi methi when it's boiling is the right time. You can add whatever the rice you have. I use the jeera rice. Every year, my dad used to crop this. Once when you add the rice, backly add the water. The third secret tip. If you add more oil, then less the water. If you add more water, then less the oil. Usually, dum biryani requires a little water for a stickiness. When the boiling come over, gently mix. One quick stir around the edges of a vessel is enough. Fourth secret tip. You have to only stir when you put the rice, when boiling over, when rice halfly cooked, and when biryani is ready. Sorting so many times can lead to stickiness. I always use this secret tip often enough to make the perfect dum biryani every time. Gently stir around the edges of a vessel is oftenly enough. This is a stage that awfully cooked biryani. So once you stir, close the lid. Keep it in a dum in low flame for up to 5 minutes. Now, dum biryani is ready. You can serve hot with curd raita, chicken kebab, and slice of onion and cucumber. Promise me that you're gonna try this recipe this week. If you want more exhausting video like this, then subscribe this channel. And don't forget to comment